Right, we're on the record in docket 22-00256. People of the state of Michigan versus Lauren Roberts. No, I'm sorry. 20, that's the wrong file. We want David Richards. David Richards. So we're on the record in docket 22-00284. People of the state of Michigan versus David Richards. This is the time set for a probation violation arraignment. And sir, you are David Richards?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And you can hear me all right, Mr. Richards?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to read the nature of the allegations of violation of probations that have been brought against you. This is, these were brought in a request and summons for probation violation. Probation officer being Mario Ledesma on September 30th, 2022, signed by myself on September 30th, 2022. It is alleged that you violated your terms of probation as follows. Did, and in a technical violation, failed to pay fines and costs due in the amount of $301 as of September 30th, 2022. The total due is $1,395. In technical violation number 16, failed to set up alcohol/drug testing at DNA in Flint, Michigan by August 19, 2022. You were referred on August 12, 2022 to August 21st, 2022. DNA reports that you failed to report, the reporting agency indicates that you failed to register. And a technical violation number 16, failed to attend anger management group/pay fee and provide proof of completion to the court. Referral made on August 12, 2022. No proof of registration, completion, or attendance has been provided. Do you understand the nature of the violations that have been brought against you, sir?
Yes, I do.
All right. You have a right to a hearing in this case. You have the right to be represented by counsel in the hearing. That would have to be a counsel that you would go seek and retain. Have you sought the ability to retain counsel from the public defender's office in this matter, or to seek personal representation? All right. Do you plan on getting representation from the public defender's office, or to seek personal representation in this matter?
Yes.
All right. Which one is it? Do you plan on applying to the public defender's office, or do you plan on seeking representation on your own?
Probably the public defender.
All right. Do you have their number so that you can make application to them? And what's that?
I do not.
All right. You do not? All right. Let me give you that number.
Pen.
All right. The number for the public defender's office is 517-679-2979. And you should give them the date of the hearing so they understand the date of the hearing for representation purposes. So I'll put for the registration of actions that you're going to seek representation from the public defender's office. And we'll get a hearing date.
November 14th at 1:30.
So your hearing date will be November 14th at 1:30. So make sure you give them that date when you make application to the PD's office. That'll be on you to go and call them and set up the application process. All right, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And you have that November 14th at 1:30 date?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, that'll be live. That'll be in person. And that is the time set for hearing. Do you have any questions of me concerning that hearing or anything we talked about today?
Yeah, I've got a couple questions.
Okay.
So the CourtWorks, every time I go onto the CourtWorks, it doesn't really operate well. Like every time I'm trying to see all of the paperwork, it doesn't really load up.
Okay. Well, and you've explained that to your probation officer, correct?
Correct.
All right. Why don't you talk to your public defender about that? And they will have a
Okay.
conversation with the assistant prosecutor.
Okay.
Maybe there's some things you can do to resolve that.
Okay.
But that's the person, that's exactly the type of issue in which there could be resolution or at least a plan to make sure that your reporting is not in question and that you're not held in violation, okay?
Okay.
All right, so we'll see you back here on November 14th at 1:30. Make sure and apply for the public defender's office, okay?
Thank you very much.
All right, that's all for the record, docket 22-00284. And I'm gonna go to Miss Kelly. Let me go up.